Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something quite interesting is happening in terms of security, and everybody has to be careful. A new type of malware that is attacking PCs called Worm Cookie, and this one is unique as it actually is very personalized, and this is maybe why some people are getting bitten, and apparently it's getting more and more PCs infected. So first of all, comes through an email, and we'll tell you that, well, maybe you could have a better job than what you have now. We have a position that could be for you. And what happens is that the information that is within this email is very personalized. So you might see your name, you might see even your position if in a enterprise, for example, you're in a list somewhere on a website of your job title. Well, you will have all of that will be scooped up, and then that email, which looks like it's directed at you, looks like a legitimate email, will lure you into clicking to go and see what it's all about. And when you do that, that's where you will have a download that's going to happen, and you're going to, of course, be bitten by malware at that moment. It is a pretty powerful type of malware because not only does it, so it comes through email. We tell you all the time the emails are always the problem, and it's the most dangerous way of getting viruses. So the email, you got the email link, it redirects you to a website. That new page is where you're going to get a lot of problems because you'll get a JavaScript that will execute itself. PowerShell will, of course, be used to execute commands. You get the worm cookie, and that not only scoops up personal data on your computer, it can actually take screenshots of what you're doing. It can record audio of what you're doing. And this is really a lot of data that can be scooped up. They say that this malware is specifically designed to get as much personal information from your computer as possible, and also to pass on to other computers, especially if you're in an enterprise environment. So be aware that email is always dangerous. When something pops up that you're not expecting, when something pops up that shouldn't be or looks too good to be true, usually it is, you can really get bitten here, and it's really something that you might not want to have. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.